Hello friends, welcome to D&D Construction. Today we will discuss My1 technology or My1 formwork. So what is My1 formwork? So in brief I will tell you this is our slab, building slab. In this how this My1 formwork we are using on site. This I will explain in this tutorial. I have divided this tutorial into 4 parts. First I will tell you what is My1 formwork. Then we will discuss about what are the component parts of My1. Then I will tell you what is the procedure of this My1 formwork, and after completing the procedure I will tell you how we are using this My1 technology on site. So I have prepared this tutorial in 4 parts. So today we will study what is My1 formwork. This is slab. In this first we complete all vertical reinforcement work. As you can see, after completing this vertical reinforcement work, this wall panel erection work is started. As you can see, these are vertical wall panels. After completing this wall panel, we start decking work. With below we provide these props and this wall decking work. This is slab soffit. As you can see, this is slab decking work. This is slab soffit, and after completing this slab soffit we do reinforcement work and electrical work of slab. As you can see, slab reinforcement work completed. So steps involved in My1 formwork is: first we complete all vertical reinforcement work. After completing this vertical reinforcement work we do paneling work wall paneling work. After this we start this decking work, and after decking work we do this reinforcement work, and after completing of this reinforcement work we can cast all the walls and slab simultaneously. This is the main advantage of My1 formwork. So let's begin. We will study first what is My1 technology. What is My1 technology? It was developed by My1 Company Limited from Malaysia in 1990s for constructing mass housing project in developing countries like India. So My1 Company Limited began manufacturing of these formworks, hence giving the name My1 technology. So that's why we are calling this formwork is My1 technology. So this system of aluminum formwork has been widely in the construction of residential units, because residential units have typical floors, and mass housing projects same type of houses. That's why in the developing countries like India we required more mass housing projects. That's why My1 technology nowadays widely used in India, and it is fast, simple and adaptable and cost effective technology. And this system is most suitable for Indian condition as tailor made aluminum formwork. This is as per drawing we are making this formwork, and we have to assemble on site as per drawing, and we can cast easily after assembling. That's why we are calling this is tailor made aluminum formwork. So we will study what are the features of My1 technology. So first feature is sheet thickness and size of panel. The concrete wall of panel is 5 mm in thickness, and these are the standard panels: 2 meter by 600, 2 meter by 300 mm, 1200 mm by 300. These are the standard panels of My1, and any other required size as per requirement can be manufactured and delivered to the site by My1 company. And these panels can be reusable up to 250 times. That's why this My1 technology is cost effective and economical. Load carrying capacity: it has 7 to 8 tons per square meter capacity. Due to use of aluminum as material, it is light in weight because density of aluminum is less. and it weight around 80 to 20 kg per square meter, which can be handled by labor on site. Striking time. Vertical formwork like column and shear walls, we can dechutter 12 hours of concreting, or when concrete attains a strength of 2 Newton per mm square, or horizontal formworks like slab, beams, bottom, we required 36 hours after concreting, or minimum strength should attain 10 Newton per mm square. So slab cycle. High speed of construction can be achieved by this system. That means faster completion of project. Minimum 4 to 5 days cycle we can achieve. So my one floor cycle 5 days. I am explaining 4 to 5 days we can do as per site condition, 4 days or 5 days one floor. The formwork assembling at site is quick and easy process. All formwork begins from corner. We start from one corner and proceed from that corner. So in first day we can complete all vertical reinforcement work. After completing all reinforcement work, we can start one side vertical formwork, means wall panels we can start. Second day we can start vertical panels, wall panels of entire floor or part of one floor. In third day, second activity involve erection of second side of wall panel and deck panel, and all supporting work we can complete on third day. On fourth day, we can complete all reinforcement work of slab, and after completing all the checking, we can cast on fifth day. We can do concreting of walls and slab on fifth day. So we can complete slab in 5 days, and removal of vertical formwork panels after 24 hours, and leaving the props in place for 7 days, and floor slab formwork in place for 2.5 days. We will see what are the advantage of my one formwork. So my one formwork: uniformity in all component of structure. There is no need of block work, completely eliminates block work. Wall and slab have smooth surface, which eliminates internal plastering work, which saves cost of the project. This technology makes the structure more seismic resistant and durable as well. Casting of all structural member is done at single pour of concrete, so no joints. Scrap value is very high, as this is aluminium material, so we can get 50% as a scrap value of our investment of actual cost. Can be erected using unskilled laborers. Once the setup of my one is completed, any unskilled labor can be complete this shuttering work, and without removing of props, deck panels can be removed. This is main advantage of my one formwork. Now we will see disadvantage of my one formwork. Due to casting of all members, any modification is not possible to carry out once drawing is fixed. Due to presence of shear wall, heat of hydration is high. Initial cost is very high as compared to conventional shuttering or ply shuttering. Not suitable for small scale projects. For single projects, it is not suitable because cost is very high. So this is what my one technology is. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. I hope you have learned something from this video. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, D&D Construction.